your hands are killing you, but you have several hours of sewing left to do. Try this little hint. It only takes 15 minutes. It's going to make your hands feel so much better and get you back in the sewing game. Welcome back to Bridal Sewing Techniques. I know your hands hurt sometimes, just like mine do. I'm sure you're familiar with the warming balms, the cooling gels, different types of pain relievers. But as you know, you can't put that stuff on your hands and then continue to work on a gown. You would stain it. So what I like to do is just take a 15-minute break, and basically this is like a Epsom salt soak. You don't necessarily have to use this brand, but this is the brand that I use. I use the instructions for the foot soak, but I use it for my hands. So you're gonna get really warm water. You don't want it so hot that it causes more inflammation, but nice and warm. Now I'm sure you can get fancy with this and get some special kind of basin, but I basically just use a pot, and then I use about half a cup of the mineral soak. You can see in detail what it looks like. I'm not sure how this stuff works, but you dump it in, you mix it up, and somehow it takes all the pain away. After I soak my hands for 15 minutes, sometimes I soak my hands for even less time than that. When I get my hands out of the water, they just don't hurt anymore. It's kind of like a hot tub for your hands. It's wonderful. I hope this extends your sewing time and makes you feel better. After you do the hand soak, of course, wash your hands thoroughly before you handle the gowns again. But I hope this has helped you. Please hit subscribe and share. Tell all your sewing friends about me, and let's grow this channel together and share this very special craft.